Welcome to Dashcam, Nigeria. Today we are in the beautiful city of Abuja, Nigeria. So first, do you know this rock? This rock showing on your screen is a popular rock in Abuja and also in Nigeria. Let me know in the comment section if you know that rock. Okay, so you can see how beautiful this road is. Very wide and spacious. And if you look further, you will see some people cycling on their bicycle, trying to have some morning exercise. So that to tell you how spacious this road is. So people have the comfort and the luxury to be able to exercise on this road. You can see how many there are. I think there are about 7 persons doing that already. So you can see how spacious this road is. Very wide with 2 lanes. So there's a service lane and there's the express lane. So this to tell you that some part of Nigeria is very good looking and also organized as well too. So just enjoy the beauty of this road and how spacious it is. I am cruising above 100 km/h because the road is very free and spacious. It's very pleasurable to drive on this road, I must tell you. Just look at how wide the whole road is. Wow, this is interesting. Some people who are in Abuja will know this road, but tell me in the comment section if you know this road in Abuja. This Golf is really on a high speed. I'm sure should be above 110 km/h. But I'm trying to overtake this Golf. It looks like it's on the top gear. You want to know if I overtook this Golf? Let me know in the comment section and I will drop the video on how this car race ended. Bye for now.